So I'm going to just, in this video, I'm just going to show you how to add an extra set of type of boundary. So we've got definite boundary, inferred boundary, and I'm going to add an approximate boundary. So first of all, I go to my boundaries, and I'm going to click Properties. And then I'm going to go to Symbology, and I can see all the symbols here, and I'm going to add values. So I'm going to add a value which I'm going to call approximate. Okay, add to list, and then I'm going to have a unconformity UC approximate as well. Add list, and then I can go into here. So I can change. Then I can change the symbology, the symbols of this. So I can go to this one, and I can scan down. And we've got contact concealed in here, approximate contact. Maybe we'll choose this one because it's a dotted line. Okay, contact concealed. Okay, and then in this one we can do the same, but we want to have it blue because it's an unconformity. Contact concealed, but then we want to make it blue. I think it's that blue. Yeah, I think that's right. Okay, and then I can go OK. See that they'll appear in here. Okay. Then we want to start editing this feature. And we'll see that they don't appear on here. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to update, we need to organize these templates. Okay, so click on this button here to organize the templates, and we're going to boundaries. For some reason I've got two definite and indefinite, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select all of them, and delete, and then I'm going to do a new template for boundaries next, and then I'm going to select them all. So now we see it's got all of those in there. They're all selected. I finish, and now they should have all appear in here. So I've got approximate, definite and inferred for normal stratigraphic boundaries, and then I've got the approximate unconformity, definite unconformity and an inferred unconformity. And so I can close that. And so now if I want to start drawing a new contact, I can create features, and I want to create, say I want to create an approximate stratigraphic boundary. Yeah, and I'm going to make it up of straight line segments. Then I can now draw it on Okay. So now we've got that on there. And now one thing that I can do is good to smooth it. So I can do customize toolbars, and I want my advanced editing toolbar. And in here, there's this smooth function in here, so I can smooth that line that I've got selected, and I can change the offset. So let's just try at a minimum. Well, let's try 5 as the maximum allowable offset, and that's basically allows how much it can detract from these node points that I've put on when it draws the new line, when it smooths it. And you can see it's actually that's too smooth. It's gone too far away from where. So I can undo that and then smooth it again. So let's use just 1. Okay. I'm not exactly sure what units those are, but you can see there that we've created a smooth. You might have to make it even smaller again for not to over smooth the thing. Okay. And then remember, when you need to save edits, or if you stop editing, it'll ask you, do you want to save your edits? And you click yeah. Saving your file here as well. Okay. So that's how you add a different type of boundary in here. You follow the same process for any of these types of boundaries, or indeed any of the symbols, for instance, in here. Okay.